My bitch is so dirty. Oh yeah. We just rode a little bit, and my dumbass had it on time warp. I'm so stupid. But yeah, we out cruising today, baby. Hope you guys are all doing good today. Hopefully you had a fucking solid ass week. Put that grind in, baby. Oh, there's a cop. Just pretend that was a dotted, yellow dotted line, alright? I wanna do a little pool again with them. Okay. There you go, there you go. Good shit, I like it. Trying to pull them nooners. Yo, I want to do another pull again.
Oh yeah, alright, but
you wanna do
second wheelie was a third.
That was good, I got that too.
That was third gear.
Really?
Yeah.
What the f? I can't.
I had to clutch it up and pull.
Okay, that's what I do. Yeah, we can do a pull on this road. This needs to be a straightaway.
Okay.
Alright. Gang, gang, baby. The Harleys. Oh, I love going downhill. Yeah. Shee! Shee! Oh, it's the bridge, baby. Oh, you gotta do it on a tunnel. You gotta respect that shit. I like to get lost when I'm riding. I like to, like, you know, just go wherever. I need to get me a supermoto. I'm trying to f with some people. Oh, the highway. Ugh. 25 to f, I'm going 0. This road sucks donkey balls, bro. Shit sucks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Shee. Shee. I love cornering this bike. It's so light. There's literally no effort. So I want to try like an R6, dude, or just like a liter bike. That bitch is the lightest. How does it hit neutral? Who is calling me? No shot, my buddy. Yeah! 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 Yo! Let me call you back! Let me call you back! This nigga wheeling and shit, I can't hear. Let me call you back. Yeah. My buddy's calling me and shit. Oh my gosh. I need to pull over and call him back. Bro, imagine someone answering the phone and you're just riding on your bike. Because whenever I call someone on their bikes, obviously they don't answer because they don't hear it usually. You know, not me though. I got them business calls, you hear me? No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be a little cruise for you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up, baby. Comment down below. Yeah. If you guys liked the video, make sure to, you know, already said like, comment, subscribe, baby. And I'll catch you guys in another one. Over and out.